Hi guys.
Today
Hey.
we are going to find sea animals. Show
Yeah.
'em what tool you're working with. What is that?
A fish.
Yeah, your fish. And what is this? Show 'em.
Net.
And we're gonna catch them, okay? Stay ready?
Ready.
Let's go.
Let's go. No, a duck.
What color is that duck?
A little duck.
A yellow duck. Good job.
What does the duck say?
It says quack.
And then I thought you found the turtle.
Let me see that turtle. What color is that turtle?
Blue and orange.
It's blue and orange?
Yes.
Think? Oh, I see something green over there. Let me see. Oh my goodness! What is that?
A dolphin.
Yes, it is a dolphin. What color dolphin?
Green and brown.
Green and brown. That's pretty cool, huh?
These cats are more fish. Stinky animal.
What's that?
It's beautiful.
A seahorse?
A blue and brown.
Blue and brown seahorse. Oh, how about we put them in your net when we catch them? 1, 2, 3. Let's see. I think he's green. Let's look for something green.
A green. Sounds a crocodile.
A crocodile?
In a leaf is green.
Yeah, let me see him. Can we name him? What's his name?
Green.
You're so silly.
Cookie sound.
Okay, now we whisk out our other tool. What do you have? Do you have a fishing pole?
Just catch it.
You're gonna catch it. 5 more animals.
I got a pufferfish.
What color is that puffer fish?
It's blue.
It's blue.
Like I got you.
You want mommy help you? Here, I'll hold the pole.
I did it. We did it. You get a clam.
The blue puffer fish. Put it in mommy's pocket, okay?
In the pocket.
In your pocket? Here we go. Put him in here. There's a puffer fish. What is that? A crab? A yellow crab. Ooh, look, your line's all tangled up.
Okay, good. I get you. I get a crab. I got
Yay! Show mommy.
I got a crab.
Yeah, put it in your pocket. A yellow crab. Here, okay? So we had 5 and we found 2. That means we have 3 more. Maybe over here. What is it? A stingray. What color? It's green and black. Let me see. Wow, you're a good fisherman. Here, put it in your pocket. Ready? Let's do it. Whoa.
It's one clam.
It's what color?
Orange
Orange and green.
green. On it in a pocket.
Okay. There it is. Orange and green in the pocket. We have 1 more. A starfish, are you sure? I don't think so.
Starfish?
It's coral.
A starfish.
It's coral.
I did uncatch it.
Do you know what coral is?
Uncommon.
Did Did you catch the coral?
Yes.
Let me see.
In the pocket, in the pocket.
Put it in your pocket? Uh-oh.
The first in the pocket.
Whoa, this place is gorgeous. All right, tell everyone. Say bye, guys. Say bye, guys. Say I had fun. Say go out and do some fishing.